As access to medical assistance in dying grows, new questions are emerging about whether Canadians can choose who would get one of their organs once they're gone. New recommendations released last month aim to help organizations and transplant programs craft new policies on the challenging requests.
Patients kept insisting. They're like, I want some good to come out of my death.
To discuss directed organ donation, a person needs to be eligible for medically assisted death first, and their recipient, the guidelines say, should be someone they know. But one of the biggest questions is whether a person chosen by an organ donor should trump someone on the waiting list in greater need or vice versa. Bioethicist Udo Schuklang says not letting potential donors choose their recipients could discourage assisted dying patients from donating at all. He says getting organs to someone who needs it is what matters most.
Ultimately, also fewer people will be on that waiting list. It will be a shorter waiting list by virtue of that.
Others, including Dr. Kim Wiebe, who helped write the recommendations, have a different view.
The person in highest need of the organ will be prioritized, and patients have to agree that the donation will be unconditional and that we'll work towards, the directed donation, but that it will go to the patient in highest need.
Federal data shows less than 25% of Canadians are registered organ donors. One donor could save up to 8 lives. Nearly 40% of those removed from the waitlist last year died while waiting. Canadian Transplant Society President James Breckenridge says being able to choose who an organ goes to could help make donation more meaningful.
Perhaps you'd like to give your organ to your wife or your daughter or your kidney or for somebody. To a person that is in real need that or is a part of the family might tip the scale for that person to become an organ donor.
A meaningful moment for Canadians as they live out their final days. Sean Previl, Global News. Thanks for watching Global News. For more local, national, and international news, be sure to subscribe to our channel.